Nexo fundamentally is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $61 continuously 2025 in a really significant manner. Long-haul examination recommends that Nexo cost might actually flood to $1.22 by 2050, within in every practical sense, likely reach somewhere in the range of $1.158 and $1.3017 in an essentially certainly significant manner, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Experts project a bullish pattern for Nexo in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $16.39 mark, or so they thought, which is very critical. The negative cost expectation for Nexo in 2040 generally in every practical sense is $856.43, within in every way that really matters, especially possible, especially high of $1.31. Continuous information shows Nexo basically is exchanging at $1.17 in an unpretentious manner, in spite of mainstream thinking. Starting around 25 February 2024, Nexo truly is exchanging at $0.17 in terms of its erst rate, with the value change of 55% in kind of absolute most recent 1 hour in a very kind of large manner in an unpretentious manner. Nexo actually in a real sense has a very complete market cap of $654,124,899 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,857,36, which explicitly is very critical. This in every way that really matters makes Nexo sort of positioning at 110 in the digital currency market, or so they explicitly thought. On the off chance that you for the most part in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and, considering what really is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2024, what will Nexo generally be worth in 2024, or so they explicitly thought. Is Nexo a fundamentally wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2024, or so they especially thought? Will Nexo value sort of outperform its untouched especially high in an unobtrusive manner, or so they thought? These truly are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which truly is very critical. Nexo value expectation 2024 as per the Nexo estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Nexo cost explicitly is supposed to sort of cross a by and large normal value level of $156, the normal truly least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the sort of especially current year ought to be $150 amazingly. Besides, Nexo can ridiculously arrive at a most extreme value level of $187, which essentially is genuinely huge. Nexo value figure February 2024. Concerning February 2024, Nexo certainly is supposed to generally arrive at a kind of least value worth of $108 in an unpretentious manner. The Nexo cost could explicitly arrive at an in every way that really matters, certainly most extreme cost of $0.13 with the very especially normal cost around $119. Nexo value expectation Walk 2024. The cost for Nexo in Walk 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.17 and $0.27, which is genuinely critical. While the in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost ought to in every practical sense, generally be around $1.22 in an unobtrusive way, or so they really thought. Nexo value figure April 2024. The Nexo cost for April 2024 may by and large arrive at a very least worth of $1.12, while the exceptionally greatest squadge cost in a real sense especially is around $1.34, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The truly in every practical sense, normal cost for Nexo truly is somewhat in a real sense anticipated to reach $1.27 in April 2024, or so they essentially thought, in spite of prevalent thinking. Nexo value conjecture May 2024. With respect to May 2024, Nexo in every practical sense, most certainly is supposed to by and large arrive at a by and large least value worth of $116, so while the especially normal exchanging cost ought to fundamentally most certainly be around $122, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking, the Nexo cost could arrive at a pretty truly greatest cost of $1.39 with a sort of typical cost around $1.32 in a sort of significant manner, which is genuinely huge. Nexo value estimate June 2024. The Nexo cost for June 2024 may fundamentally arrive at any rate worth of $1.30, while the extremely greatest squadge cost really is around $1.44 in an unobtrusive manner. The especially normal cost for Nexo in a real sense by and large is generally anticipated to truly reach $1.36 in June 2024. Nexo value expectation July 2024. The cost for Nexo in July 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1.34 and $1.51, which by and large is genuinely huge, which generally is genuinely critical. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to, in a real sense, most certainly be around $1.38, or so they truly thought. Nexo value figure August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Nexo in a real sense is determined to generally in a real sense be at around a genuinely least worth of $1.37. Genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The Nexo value worth can arrive at a really limit of $1.58 with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $1.41 in USD, which is genuinely critical. Nexo value estimate September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of Nexo truly is basically anticipated to explicitly arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of $1.44, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $1.65 and a by and large lovely least of $1.39, which truly is genuinely huge incredibly. Nexo value gauge October 2024. The for the most part normal cost of Nexo could truly go to $1.47 toward the finish of October 2024, or so they in every practical sense thought. Nexo could be exchanging around a greatest worth of $1.72 with a by and large truly least expected cost of $1.42. Nexo value estimate November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Nexo generally is supposed to basically arrive at a for the most part least value worth of $1.48, or so they truly thought incredibly. The Nexo cost could basically arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $1.79 with the in every practical sense normal cost around $1.53, which generally shows that ongoing information shows Nexo explicitly is exchanging at $1.17, which fundamentally explicitly is very critical. Nexo value figure December 2024. The Nexo cost for December 2024 may arrive at a kind of least worth of $1.50, while the especially greatest gauge cost in every practical sense truly is around $1.87, or so they generally essentially thought. The genuinely normal cost for Nexo actually truly is basically truly anticipated to generally for the most part reach $1.56 in December 2024 in a genuinely enormous way. Nexo genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Nexo's cost in a real sense truly has shown an especially decent increment of 299% in the pretty truly most recent 24 hours, which generally is genuinely huge. From essentially most recent 7 days, the Nexo fundamentally was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 639% in a sort of significant manner, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo most certainly has shown areas of strength for quite a potential of late, and this could be by and large great chance to sort of dive right in and in a real sense put resources into an unobtrusive way explicitly. Nexo value gauge 2024 facts. What will sort of be Nexo worth in 2024? Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, which in a real sense is very critical. The Nexo cost entirely is determined to basically arrive at an extremely lovely greatest degree of